The government's approval to China to conduct marine research in the Philippine rice or Benham rice became controversial. Benham rice is rich in corals, marine life and gas reserves and was declared part of the Philippine extended continental shelf by the United Nations in 2012. The issue became more controversial when Malacanang answered the question why it was China which was given permission to do the research.
Bakit daw po kailangan China pa yung mag-conduct ng research?
Because
Bakit
only
hindi
China has
tayo?
qualified so far. There are other applicants, unfortunately, they did not qualify according to fixed guidelines already set by the government.
Bakit daw po hindi Filipinos on their own?
Because no one has applied and no one can do it because apparently it's capital intensive. You do not need a permit for any Filipino corporation to conduct scientific investigation in Benham rice because it is ours. So that's not something that a consent has to be given to by the government.
The statement of the presidential spokesperson garnered criticisms. UP Maritime Law expert Professor J. Batombakal says Filipinos have been doing marine research in Benham rice for years already, so it is wrong to say that it is only China which is qualified to conduct scientific expeditions. The advocates of Science and Technology for the People or AGHAM also reacted, saying that this is not an issue of affordability but an issue of lack of support and priority of the government to Filipino scientists to conduct research in our own waters. With this sour development, Malacanang backtracked its statement and presidential spokesman Roque denied having said that Filipinos have no capacity to conduct their own research because of capital intensive. The official also reiterated that Filipinos don't have to ask for permit from the state to do scientific investigation in Benham rice because the Philippines have sovereign rights over it.
I'm sorry for the miscommunication, but again, I would like to highlight that, of course, Filipinos are conducting research and Filipinos don't need to get the consent of the Philippine state because the right to conduct scientific research is ours. That's what I meant.
Professor Batongbakal says the government should be transparent when giving permits to other countries, especially to China, to conduct marine research.
Kailangan ayusin ng gobyerno itong proseso na ito dapat kasi transparent yan. Dapat madaling makita kung anong gustong gawin ng kabila. Dapat makuha agad yung information. Para hindi yung ganyang yung suspicions ang lumalabas agad.
Aside from China, the Department of Foreign Affairs also allowed other countries such as the US of A, Japan and South Korea to do marine research in Benham rice. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue, Quezon City.